What's up guys, it's Eric, and today we're going to be unboxing this Hot Wheels Fast and Furious 5-pack. We got cars from some of the movies, 61 Impala, 72 Gran Torino Sport, Corvette, Ford Escort, and the Chevelle. Get it open. Alright. First car is the 1970 Chevelle SS in a gunmetal gray color. I like the wheels with this one. It's got a larger wheel in the back, tinted windows, very cool. Car number 2 is the blue 1970 Ford Escort. Gold rims, white decals, smoked windows. Car number 3 is the Corvette Gran Sport Roadster. And this one is a really cool casting. It's got the taillight details and a license plate, the interior, small blue windshield, Corvette logo. It's a little off center, but overall a really good casting. I like the wheels as well. Next up is the 72 Ford Gran Torino Sport in green. I really like this metallic green color. White pinstripe and 5-spoke wheels. No other detailing, but that green paint though. That just looks really good. Next we have this 1961 Impala in red. Impala badge here. And 5-spoke wheels. Silver base. Very good looking car. So that's the 5-car set overall. It's a really good 5-pack. Highlights for me are definitely going to be the Ford Gran Torino and the Escort. But they're all really good castings and they look real nice. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, remember to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe.